Hello guys, it's Pauline. It's Saturday here, around 2 p.m. It's raining, April rain. Look, it's cloudy this morning and now it's raining. At saka si Pauline naman guys, I'm not feeling well guys. So, silent muna lang ako. Pasensya. Mayroon kasi akong allergy. Seasonal allergy. Ito kasi basta every mag-start na ang spring, allergy kasi ako sa pollen. pollen. Allergy kasi ako sa pollen. Kahit na ulan, siba na sana clean ang air, pero I have stuffy nose. Tsaka it's hard to have an allergy kasi hina yung katawan. Tsaka parang ayaw ko kasi mag-take ng yung gamot. Gusto ko lang yung yung natural lang na ma-okay ko. Okay na, upload lang ako guys, just to wala lang ako magawa kasi nag-check ako sa mga friends ko na nag-comments, nagpahinga muna ako ng konti. Okay guys, thank you for watching and thank you to all my supporters. Bye-bye.